This news in front of you is a revolution. Right now, Elon Musk's Neuralink allows a monkey to play Pong with his mind. So let's check it out with the article. Yeah, here it goes. Elon Musk's Neuralink, one of his many companies and the only one currently focused on mind control, has released a new blog post and videos detailing some of its recent updates, including using its hardware to make it possible for a monkey to play Pong with only its brain. I'll show this hardware soon after this video or at the end of the video. Let's dive deep into this article. Fine. So let's start from here. So Neuralink demonstrate how it is used its sensor hardware and brain implant to record a baseline activity from this Macaw named Pager, as it played a game on screen where it had to move a token to different square using a joystick with its hand. Using the baseline data, and I guess they took the data like the signals they captured or recorded the neural signals sent by this Pager's brain to his hands. They recorded it and decoded it again using some machine learning. Uh, yeah, able to use machine learning to anticipate where Pager was going to be moving the physical controller, and was eventually able to predict it accurately before the moves was actually made. So the researchers then removed the paddle entirely and eventually did the same thing with the Pong, ultimately ending up at a place where Pager no longer was even moving its hand on the air. Like he didn't even move his hands and was instead controlling the in-game action entirely with its mind via the link, hardware, and embedded neural threads. I'll show you this right now as soon as this is over. So here again, these are some obvious bold claims, but the company cites a lot of exist research that undergirds its existing demonstration and near-term goals. Musk's more ambitious claim should, like all of his projections, definitely be taken with a healthy dose of skepticism. He did add that he hopes a human trials will begin to get underway, hopefully later this year, which means at the end of starting from September to December, there might be a person sitting here instead of Pager, and it'd be controlling this game with his mind. Okay, let's get back to the hardware they were using. So this is their official website, Neuralink. So this was the hardware that they were using. So this is the small tablet kind of thing is known as the link, like the outer cover. Sealed link is a sealed implanted device that receives, process, and transmit neural signals. And this is neural threads which might have been connected to this monkey's or Pager's brain for 2 weeks now, as they have claimed. Each small and flexible threads contains many electrodes for detecting neural signals. So as the signal passes through it, through this whole process, the whole thing, the signal will be transmitted to a smartphone or a machine learning algorithm happening around or inside their company, and the algorithm will predict what Pager is going to do or what will be his next move. And that's the news. And I guess just think about it, when people gets to use this for on a daily basis, like I don't have to wake up, I'll just think about it, like I want the lights to be turned on if I have connected my brain with my smart light or smart home. The connection is really simple, that it's just like a Bluetooth connection, like we do with our smartphones, right? So our smartphones are mostly connected to our laptops or our AirPods or something like that. So exactly like that, our brain will be connected to our smartphones. So I'll just think about something with my smartphone, and the smartphone will process it and give back the result without any physical contact and voice commands. So what is your opinion about this whole new project with Elon Musk's Neuralink? And leave in the comments. Article's links has been given in the description. Do check it out. It's really interesting.